Assalamualaikum and hi. Okay, so in this video I will explain on x-intercept. Okay, before this I have explained on y-intercept, which is very straightforward, right? But for the case of x-intercept, it's not really straightforward. There is one step you need to do first before you can find x-intercept. Okay, you need to test for this condition, whether you have it greater than 0, equals to 0, or less than 0. Okay, so you will insert the value of a, b and c into this formula to know whether you will have x-intercept or not. Okay, for example, as you replace the value of b, a and c into this equation and you get greater than 0, then you know that you will have 2 x-intercept. Okay, or as you replace the value of a, b and c into this equation and you get equal to 0, then you will have exactly one x-intercept. Okay, and as you can see from the graph, the x-intercept is the same as the vertex point. Okay, whenever you get equals to 0, or for the last condition, whenever you get this equation less than 0, you know that there is no x-intercept. As you can see, the graph doesn't cross the horizontal axis. So once you have found that the value is less than 0, then you don't have to proceed to find x-intercept, because x-intercept does not exist. Okay, because the graph does not cross the horizontal axis. Okay. Alright, let me demonstrate one example. Okay, maybe let's do C. Okay, so what is the value of C here? The value of C is, okay, but before that we need to determine whether we are going to have x-intercept or not. Okay, so basically the function is y equals to negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. Okay, and we can extract out a is negative 3, b is 2, c is 8. Okay, and then we will insert into this formula b squared minus 4ac equals to b squared. 2 squared is 4, right? Minus 4a. A is negative 3. C is 8. So this is 4 plus 12 times 8. And using your calculator, you will get 4 plus this is 8, not 18. Okay, so 4 plus 12 times 8, and that's 100. Okay, this is equals to 100, which is positive, right? So you know that you are going to have 2 x-intercept. Okay, so this is not yet the x-intercept or anything. It's just a checking that you need to do before you can find x-intercept. Okay, and then the next step, okay, so this is step 1. So step 2 is to factor this. Okay, and when you are going to factor the quadratic function, you will equate the function to 0, negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 8 equals to 0, and you will factor as what you have learned during your secondary school. Okay, or you can use your calculator. Okay, there's a factor function in the calculator. Let me show you how. Okay, we are trying to factor negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 8. Okay, so you go to mode. Okay, until you find equation, and then degree 2. Okay, because we are dealing with quadratic, so it's degree 2. And then we will insert the value of a. A is negative 3. Negative 3. B equals to 2. C equals to 8. Okay, and they will give you the answer. Well, since the number is not really nice, maybe you can press this to get in this form. Okay, so x is negative 4/3, right? And another value of x is 2.